Hello everyone. I got my kit in from Rosie's Crafty Shack to make a boho journal. I've never done anything boho. It is not my forte. I bought it with the intentions of giving it to a friend who does like boho, but they said it wasn't their colors. So I'm going to attempt it. Okay, I've got, I'm assuming this is the, oh good, it's already sewed together. So this is the book, and it has some openings. No, it doesn't. It's just, I'll trim that up. It's not even. Wow. Okay. I'm not sure what the blue ink on it is. It's not even. Whoa. I don't know. Did I open it wrong? I don't know. It's very uneven. Okay, well, I'll work on this. Maybe I can take the seam out and resew it. And then I got a large piece of what appears to be a white sheet. So I'm assuming this is to cover those pages. Okay, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry about the bag noise, guys. I know some of you hate it, and I don't really ever pay attention. This is gorgeous. Actually, I had some of this. I still have some of this. This is like a dark purple. Well, that didn't help. But yeah, it was like a, no, it's a dark blue. So very pretty design in it, though. I love this. Never been a fan of green, but I'm going to make it work somehow. See, it'd be cute to make some pockets with. And there's some upholstery fabric. Very pretty. Sample. Talking very little because of my voice right now. I'm thinking this for the cover so far. I'm thinking this would be the cover, maybe. This one or this one. Kind of like this one. Very pretty. Let's see what's in this bag. Wow, look at all these tassels in here. I need to find some videos on boho journals. I'm hoping that some people have made Rosie's kit, and I can find their videos. Wow. Oh, I love this. Look at his colors. Okay, I have two of these. No, there's two different ones. I like the blue. I'm not sure I'll even use this one. This is pretty neat. Green. Pretty neat. I'm always amazed at the things that Rosie puts in her kits, and I think I need to be in her head figuring out what to do with this stuff, because I've never done boho. Okay. I like this. I like this a lot. What a clever little idea. You know, you can make these, and you can buy these little coins at the Dollar Tree. Simple, just poke a little hole in it, a couple of seed beads, and a piece of string, and sew it onto. Yeah, where you can make these. Never thought about it. Oh, Nicholas, I don't know where your coins went, honey. This is very pretty. I love the shimmer in this. That'll be pretty on top of that. Well, not really since it's silver, but maybe I'll find some gold ones and make one. Okay, you've got all this rick-rack. Pretty cool. I keep selling this stuff and giving this stuff away, and it keeps coming back to me in kits. I'm going to use it this time. Get rid of it. I'm kind of like about sequins like I am about glitter. Not a fan. This is gorgeous. I love this. This is beautiful. That's pretty. They look nice on the cover. Some more dangled in black. Some thick lace, burgundy. This is going to be a real challenge. Like I said, I have absolutely never touched boho. Never really had an interest to do boho. But for $60, I'm going to do boho. That's beautiful. Very unique, different. It's sequins, but it's still pretty. I love this stuff. I have tons of this. Never use it unless I'm doing mixed media, but I'm going to start using more of this in my journaling. Because I did some tags and I've already sent them out, but I put this on the tags and it really just stood out. Different buttons. Purple. I like that. I like that too. That's pretty. Okay guys, I might have to do this on live and have you guys in there yelling at me what to do. Beautiful picture of a gypsy lady with some tags below it, and it's on the fabric. Some more beautiful pictures, all on fabric. Love that. I wish this one had been bigger because I'd put that on the cover. Okay, wish me luck, and like I said, I may have to do this one on a live and get you guys to help me because I have absolutely no clue. No clue whatsoever on Boho. I think I'll start out practicing by making some dangles. Okay, I'm going to take the chicken way out. I have no clue on Boho. I'm not even going to pretend I do. So this one's going to have to be a live project, and you guys come and help me make this thing. When you see up there, help, it's Boho. Come running, okay? Okay, talk to you soon. 2 o'clock today, as of right now, at 2 o'clock today, I'll be going live. And I'll have some special guests, some new friends are joining me. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.